the show. Oh my gosh, the music starts again. No, not again. So, how's everybody doing? We are here, still, you know, way ahead of FOMC. Still a little bit confused here. Curry Fishbowl, hello. So, I'm still liking that 220 down there. So if we go down to the 1 minute, we have the 930 opening range down there at 54. I feel like this could be just a scalp here, but hold on. We can see something happening here. Could be just a scalp. I'm kind of hoping that we can get some entry. Actually, there was an entry up here, and I'm liking the idea that on the 1 minute we have this sell side liquidity right there at 61.75. I think it should go down there, so I jumped into a short at 74.25. I might going to close it. I was aiming for this fair value gap here to give us an entry. These candles, this is a bearish down close candle. I like it. Should be able to push it further down to that 62-ish, 61 area. Anyway, that's the plan. Lick it, hello there. Welcome. So that's the trade. And on the other hand, where's the trade, by the way? I don't want to show this. Not this, right. So here's the trade. Let's see how this goes. It's just a scalp trade, basically. I'm always talking to the charts. I'm always. Caesar, welcome. Oh yeah, I have to put a stop here. My finger is on the close button here because it's a very heavy position. So we'll see. Yeah, it's a heavy position. Let's see if it wants to take that 62.75 out. I think it should. Love to see that. All right, closing it. That's good, $600. That's awesome. All right, we're done. Okay, it was a good trade. That was a good one. Let's move on to the next one. That was a scalp there, but it was a good opportunity. Take it. What's the next trade, right? Well, ahead of FOMC, it's just difficult to say. The gold trade is still looking good. Oh wow, we went down to the zone. Actually, we went down to the zone. Question is, can we target that 220? Point of control would be the 233, but be careful with that. There's like an opportunity to go in with, or go in for 10 points here, but does anybody know if President Trump is going to speak today? Bank of a rate decision. Okay, that's not important. Okay, nothing. Crude oil. Okay. Kind of in the middle. Back to the range. Wow. NQ going back. Huh. That's interesting. I'm kind of hoping for a possible break to the downside here. I entered the short position again. Still hoping that it will go lower. It's on a different account now. It's on a Lucid Trading account, by the way. All right. Mostly scalping, so this is not part of my classic entry model. We'll see how it goes. Oh, just a second here. Quick phone call. So sorry guys, it was the market makers. So the market makers are keep telling me that this is gonna go down. Just saying. Adam said was welcome. Dominic, going great, thank you. All is good. Actually, I'm still hoping that this will go down to that 44. Not the most ideal market conditions, so we gotta say that. So these are definitely not the ideal market conditions. Gotta be careful. All right. You're long 268. Awesome. All right, let's go. Should be going down. It should be going down, right? Hopefully. Let's see. We have some relatively cool lows there. I don't know if those are going to be able to hold or not. But we'll see. Logically, it's better. Yeah, logically, it's definitely not the best setup. I know. Unfortunately, I'm aware of that. That is logically not well defined. But, you know, there's no logic in the markets nowadays. Zrod. Hello. Looking for dump? I'm kind of looking for that too. I mean, let's see. We have a low at 44, 43.50. So the mini did go lower, but the micro, let me see. There was a low at 44 and there was a low at... Hold on. No, there was a low here. 43.50. And 43.50. Okay, relatively equal lows there. Let's see what it does. Back to the range, it seems like it. We were a little bit too early on that one. There's a gap at 88. By the way, on the 5-minute high of that candle is 89.50 to be exact. 89.50. If it wants to go back up there. Oh, about yours. Well, still, there's no logic in the market, so we're on the same page there. All right. It feels like it might want to go for that 89. Maybe not. So we have a fair value gap on the 5-minute, but I don't know. Kind of feels weird. It's like not far away, but I don't know. $44. Does it want to go down below 44? Is it a thing? Interesting. Let's wait for it. And we had that level down at 33. Can you check out NQ on TradingView? That one confusing contract. You remember that? Yeah. Sure. Yeah, I don't know. It feels interesting. So here's NQ1 on TradingView. This is the mini. So what was the question about this? From April. Sure. Yeah, no drop like this ever since. So this was back in April. Right there. Now this was like 2,400 points. That's amazing. You know. And no such drop like this. Like this was big, but still wasn't that big. So yeah. Kind of interesting to see what's going on here. Interesting price movement. Yeah, that's wild. It's bullish. It keeps on going higher. Keeps being bullish. What's the time right now? So we still have time until lunch hour. Question remains, is it going to stay like this or not? I don't know. We have some relative equal lows. I thought it wants to go there, but it's not going there. Low probability conditions. That's all I can say. No giveaway yet, Business Lens. It's going there one day. The man, the legend. Giving four core accounts today. The myth, the legend. Really? Not yet. I've been promised we're gonna have core account. We're gonna have accounts. Tomorrow or Friday we're gonna have accounts for giveaway. So. They told me. It's been confirmed. It's being confirmed. There is that 220 level down there, which still kind of interests me for a quick scalp, but I don't know. This whole situation is just we might gonna be just hovering here. What is gold doing, by the way? Nothing. Okay. No. I'm not gonna trade the FOMC. No. Dominic, I'm not sure. Depends on the volume here, but I don't want to trade the FOMC. That being said, you never know, but I'm really not interested in the FOMC trade. So we'll see how that goes. Nice. I love this trade. Let's see how much it was. 323 bucks. I take it anytime during an FOMC day. And now we just got back to the 15-minute demand zone. So that's a good thing. I'm not, but sometimes I am. Sometimes I am. You're Jonathan, right? I'm seeing your avatar because now YouTube is changing the names, but you're Jonathan, I think. So I'm gonna call you Jonathan. But yeah, sometimes I do stupid things that I regret, unfortunately. Reviews on Formula One. Nice. Oh man, I'm not really following what's happening nowadays in Formula One. Maybe I should. If when I'm finished, you will still stream, then I will tune in. Awesome. Thank you, Dominic. Thank you. have some good food. Look at that 220. I'm feeling a bit of a FOMO here. We talked about this 220 level so many times today. I don't know. It's not just on my channel. And I don't know if it's random or is there a setting maybe. Am I going to write to support that? Can we do something about this? Lando Norris and Piastri got 1 point difference. Wow. Oh, so that's why I was reading a headline about Formula One that it's very the championship is like a very tight race there, but 1 point is wow. Yeah, that's very. Yeah, I saw that. Yeah, other streamers had the same issue on their chat. Stepping right behind them. 30 points for around 30 points. Like, yeah, it would be a lot of, it would be a very hard job to get that 30 points. So I guess you saw the movie F1 with Brad Pitt. I like that movie, by the way. The F1 movie. I think it was amazing. Scared to watch it? You were driving karting. Oh wow, nice. Wow, awesome, Dominic. You're just a big fan. That is amazing. You were driving a car. That's amazing, man. Awesome. That is awesome. Today was a difficult day, by the way. I don't know what you guys think, but I think it was a difficult day. Look at that. Are we going down to the 20 level, or what's it gonna be? $20.75. Let's see that level on the 5-minute too. No, sorry, that was a 15-minute level. That was a 15-minute level. Down there. 221. Huh. Interesting. And this level was actually the midnight level. Amazing. Well, we still have time. We could see a bounce as well. Seems like the 5 and the 15 is really pushing back. They might have killed F1. Yeah, they could have. Okay, so we see a reaction here on the zone, and we still have 40 minutes until lunch hours, so this would be interesting. Seems like this might want to push higher. $69 and that level was $89. Okay. What if it wants to push up to that fair value gap? On the 5 minute, there was definitely a strong rejection on this level. But the thing is, we didn't go down just yet to the middle of that zone, which is also interesting. Kind of looking for a scalp trade, maybe a possible scalp trade. We still have time. I can't decide. I think it wants to go back to the 90s. There's a fair value gap on the 5 minute there. So I'm kind of looking at that scenario too. Yeah, that level is up there. I don't know, at never mind. 89, I think. I need to talk with support here. Yeah, it's going up there. I'm telling you, 89 could be a target. There's liquidity there. When you breach a TPT account, will it renew automatically? Yes, yes, it will. It will renew. That's the good news. That it will renew. That's why we like it. That it renews. No, it will. If it's blown up, then it's definitely, they're going to reset it for you. Yes. Yes. Yeah, exactly. You don't need to wait until the rebuild date, and it's going to renew. I'm kind of watching this 5 minute here. We have this fair value gap up there. I just can't decide if that's something that is good for a scalp or not. Okay. You're back? All right. Trying to decide if we're gonna be good for a scalp trade here or not. Watching these levels up there as well, and I'm watching this demand zone down there. Kind of feels bearish now. It failed to go higher, but if it wants to go lower, then it has to go to at least 33. Yeah. Yeah, exactly. I see that too, but I think they might want to wait with the or for the FOMC release, or they can just sweep that before the release. That would be also great to see. 15-minute is closing as a doji. That means indecision. 5-minute looks bearish currently. I like the downside here. So that's that area. And it's not going yet higher, but as I said on the 5-minute, there were some rejections here. There's seemingly another rejection. How many tries? But who knows? Today FOMC is going to be interesting for sure. cheating on NQ. What are you gonna trade? Gold? Okay, look at that. Now it's going. Part of me really wants to go short on this one, but conditions are far not ideal. I think we're gonna hit that 220. Man. And I'm sitting here on the side. I mean, we had 2 good trades. That was great. That was really excellent, but man, I wish we could have got it like earlier. Yeah, nothing here, Dominic. Nothing that we could go for. Quick check on gold. Yeah, it hit the stop. I mean, this setup hit the stop. Let's see what's happening. I don't have an entry. That's the problem. And I want to jump in. I would love to jump into this short. I still feel like sell side liquidity is, I mean, the drawn liquidity would be at 220. You hyped up? Yeah, most of us. Everybody's hyped up on FOMC. Malo, welcome. Hello there. 3K. Oh my gosh, congratulations. Man, you are really printing that money. Congratulations, man. That's an amazing result. That's amazing. I don't know how you guys can print all that profits in any given day. I mean my best, I mean not my best, but average day. So look at this. I'm FOMOing in this. I mean, Oh my god. I'm so feeling the FOMO right now. You guys couldn't imagine how much. I mean, my best days usually were like $1,500, $2,000, and I was grinding all day, and you guys are pulling in 3, 4, 5, 7, 10K days. I don't know how you're doing it, really. That's just amazing. That is a blessing, definitely. All right, Dominic. I was so aiming for this 220, and I feel like the train left the station without me. I really wanted to get into this trade. I was really hoping that I can get into this. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Why is there literally watching? Oh, I don't know. A chill stream. I mean, we're just chilling here. I'm not sure if I want to take a trade, but I'm sorry, I was just texting here. Nah, don't worry about it, Dominic. I mean, we used to have some good views in London, and I'm very appreciative for everybody who's watching now. Unfortunately, there is really not much to do at this hour. The only level I'm still looking for is the 220, which I think is gonna get tagged, by the way. So that's what's that, level 20? That doesn't really matter. I think it will go down eventually, right? Let's see, what can we do here? Can this run all the way down or not? That's the big question. Does this want to break that level or not? The big break, the big break. All the way to 21. Do I have a Discord group? Yeah. I mean, we have a Discord server. I need to refurbish that server. It needs some refurbishing. We have some members there, and there's going to be some changes. And then I'm going to put out a free invite link there. Yeah, I agree with that, Dominic. I 100% agree. It's you know, if we're putting together a Discord group, it's definitely a closer connection with each other, sharing more info, you know. I kind of like that. Definitely, Dominic. You know, I'm almost finished up with refurbishing that Discord. And you know, we had a paid membership only for $10, but the thing is to filter out the scammers. But we're gonna do the free version, and it's gonna be great, and we can have some great discussions there, sharing some charts info. I think it will be great. Yeah. All right. Hey, Dominic, listen. Technically, it's already done, so it's ready. There needs to be some minor things attached, like a moderation bot, or there's also a bot that we need to test. I think it's already working, that actually verifies if someone is a human or not, because last time we did a free invite session, and in 5 minutes we had like 50 bots coming into the server. So we need to do a human filter there, and some things have to be modded, but I think we're almost ready. It will be nice. It will be cool. I think there will be a main chat room, you know, without there you cannot share images, for example. Yeah, okay, yeah, Dominic. So there will not be image sharing on that room. So there will be another room where everybody can share their chart, their setups, you know, images and stuff. Oh, look at that, 220. I'm definitely feeling the FOMO now. 220. Oh my gosh. The worst part in this one and this level is that I kind of feel like I missed the trade. There was no retracement into the level at 260. Neither at 250. Nothing that I could go with here. Kind of feels bad. Yeah, it will be good. It will be good. Yeah, you can share your journey, your setups, your charts. That would be actually a real good idea. Hey Mahavir, what's up? Doing great. I'm feeling a FOMO here. I'm a little bit FOMO'd out because I was talking all day about the 220 level, and because of FOMC, I got scared. I was scared to jump into this trade right here, and there you go. Here I am. But otherwise, all good. All good. Bit of a profit here and there. He's a member of the channel. We have a membership. It's mainly for supporting the channel. I mean, I put on one or two member videos about some trade setups, which was a long time ago, but I think I should be uploading some more member only videos. But it's mainly for supporting the channel. Thank you so much for that. But yeah, you're always green. Yeah. It's the winners club, you know. But yeah, we have a few. I should be uploading some videos there for members to boost the YouTube a little bit. That would be amazing. So many things to do, guys. One plan is to upload more educational, more videos about psychological aspects, you know, psychological things. That would be one of my goals. The other thing is to share more insights about the zones. I think that would be great. And I also want to do more vlog videos. So it's been a while since I did a vlog video, so there's so many ideas that I want to do. Hey, don't worry about it, Dominic. Don't worry, it's fine. Okay, guys, I really would love to stay, but my level got taken and I'm a little bit frustrated to pull the trigger because I see nothing else going on here. So I think I'm gonna call it here. I'll be back for tomorrow London as usual. I still don't know if I will be able to start at 7. I'm sorry, at my time 7, but at your time too. So this week we're starting at 3 a.m. Eastern Standard because the London Open is at 4. So I'll be back tomorrow, London, MyFundedFutures, and then here again. All right. Thank you so much for the support. If you would if you would want to grab some evaluation accounts from any of these prop firms, please don't forget to use the code up there, TOMSABO. It works everywhere. Check it out. Some good deals are going on still. Bulenox is down to 75%, still on the option 2 accounts too. And FundedFutures network, buy one, get one for free. Take Profit Trader, no activation fee, 40% off, daily payouts, just like with TRADEDAY. And we have so much others. FundingTicks, Lucid Trading also works with TOMSABO and TickTickTrader, FundingTicks. Check them out. Thank you so much. You guys are amazing. I'll be here tomorrow. God bless you all. Cheers.